Yesterday, Local 5's Connor O'Neill is also live for us in Pleasant Hill to show us how the city is cleaning up. Connor?
Yeah, Larissa, this street in this neighborhood had some really heavy winds during last night's tornado, and the damage from that, the evidence right next to me. Take a look at this, a large pile of branches. I don't know if you can see this, but underneath the pile, there's some soil here, soil clumps from some of these trees that were uprooted, shifted off of the surface of the earth, and then there's some really hefty logs here as well. I don't know if you can see behind me, if we can get a look at this too, a tree in the background completely split in half, but vertically. I've never seen anything like that. Now, this neighborhood, when I got in here a few hours ago, it was a lot different vibe. You could hear the chainsaw buzz when you'd stepped out of the car. It was loud here, and that's because people were here along the roofs helping each other get the branches off and move it over here onto the side of the street out of the way. The area around these homes, Larissa, along this street in this neighborhood, pretty clear of debris and damage now, but all of that damage, the evidence is still here along the street next to me. Coming up in this show in just a few minutes, the story of a mobile park home here in Pleasant Hill, just a few minutes away from me, how they were left shocked and devastated during last night's and after last night's tornado. Reporting in Pleasant Hill, Connor O'Neill, Local 5 News.
Connor, thank you. Well, meanwhile, in western Iowa today, Governor Reynolds was in Minden viewing the damage from Friday's storms and talking with city officials and those affected. In a statement on social media, Reynolds said in part, quote, "The people of Iowa are coming together just like we always do to help one another." Now, Minden is in Pottawatomie County. Last night, the governor issued a disaster declaration there. Through her action, one of the things it does is it activates the Iowa Individual Assistance Grant Program. It gives grants of up to $5,000 to eligible households for things like home or car repairs. Another look tonight at the damage from the tornado in Pleasant Hill. Yeah, just absolutely insane. It looks just like so much debris out there. Covering the streets is going to be a long effort. Chris, you and Hannah are tracking these current conditions, and we want you to make sure you are weather aware and follow along with them. That's why no matter where you are, be sure to have our free We Are Iowa app downloaded. Scan the QR code on the screen, and you will be able to know the latest weather updates for your hometown.